I want you to think about something. Last month, how much money did you actually plan to spend? I'm guessing you didn't sit down with a number. You just spent. And by the time the month ended, your account was empty. This isn't because you don't earn enough. It's because you have broken money habits. And the problem is, nobody teaches you this in school. Here's what behavioral finance researchers discovered. Your brain is literally wired to make you broke. When you see something you want, your brain releases dopamine, the pleasure chemical. It doesn't care about next month's rent. It cares about right now. This is why you can earn 50,000 rupees, 100,000 rupees, even 1 lakh rupees per month, and still have nothing left. The income isn't the problem. Your habits are. So let's talk about the first money habit that actually works. Track everything for 30 days. Not to judge yourself, not to feel guilty, but to see the truth. Most people have no idea where their money goes. They think they're responsible with money. Then they track for 1 month and realize they spent 8,000 rupees on food delivery alone. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. And that's when change becomes possible. Now that you know where your money goes, here's the second habit. The 30-20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs, rent, groceries, utilities. 30% goes to wants, eating out, subscriptions, entertainment. 20% goes to savings and investments. If you're earning 50,000 rupees monthly, that's 10,000 rupees automatically going to your future. This isn't complicated. This is how people actually build wealth. And the beauty? It works whether you earn 30,000 or 3 lakh rupees. But here's where most people fail. They know the rule and don't do it. So we need habit number 3, automation. Set up an automatic transfer on payday. The day your salary hits your account, 10,000 rupees moves to a savings or investment account before you even see it. Out of sight, out of mind. Your brain can't spend what it doesn't see. This is how SIP investing works too. Small, consistent amounts automatically invested in index funds every month. You're not fighting your brain anymore. You're working with it. Let's talk about why this matters for the stock market for beginners. Most people think investing is complicated, so they don't start. But if you automate even 5,000 rupees monthly into index funds through SIP, here's what happens. After 20 years, assuming 12% average annual returns, you're looking at roughly 8 lakh rupees. That's wealth you built with money habits, not with luck or insider knowledge. Here's your action plan starting today. First, track everything for 30 days. Use your phone, a notebook, whatever works. Second, calculate your 50-30-20 split based on your actual income. Third, set up 1 automatic transfer to savings this week. Don't wait for January. Don't wait until you earn more. Start with what you have right now. These 3 habits will change your financial life more than any get-rich-quick scheme ever could. The hard truth: you're not broke because you don't earn enough. You're broke because nobody taught you money habits. But now you know. And knowing changes everything. So take action today. Track this week. Automate next week. And in 20 years, you'll be in the top 10% of people with actual wealth. That's not luck. That's habits. Like this video if you're ready to fix your money habits, and subscribe for more personal finance basics that actually work. Your future self will thank you.